Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a memorable business presentation right here in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to, of course, launch your Canva account, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is to get right into today's text. Now you can create memorable business presentations by creating a new design from scratch, by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner to design from scratch, or you head over to the search bar and type in what exactly you're looking for, so you can go to a wide area of templates that you can choose from to make your design more catchy, interesting, and even easy to create. So in the search bar, we're gonna type in business presentation. Punch the enter button, and that's going to take you to a wide array of templates that you can use. So here you go. Now, if you see the templates that actually labeled pro, it means you have to upgrade your plan. But if you don't have the crown sign right there, it means it's a free template. So let's choose this business project that looks really sweet right here, or let's see, this one is fine. So I can just click on this and I click on customize this template. So here you go, you have your template and you can now start. First, our elements are still loading up. Awesome. So this is the first, and these are all of the pages. So all you need to do is to click on this, apply all 15 pages, and all the 15 pages I've just been applied. So they're here. Awesome. They're here. So we can now start editing this presentation to what we want. So this is the first. All right. If you want to delete any of the slides, please click on it and click on this delete button, and that's off. So let's say this is page 1. So here we have a really fantastic presentation. So let's say Amy Starr's presentation. So what did I do? Just go ahead and click on any text that you want to change. Double click on the text that you want to change, and then enter in what you want. It's fine. Just double click and then So here's the text to double click and change it. Please just ignore me. So here's where you can now, of course, okay, let's head over to the text again. This is something I need to show you. Click on the text, and now we can tweak the text to what you want. I can make this italicized, all right, or you can just underline, but I don't want it to be underlined. Now you can head over here to change the font. Have a wide array of fonts that you can choose from. Then head over here to change the font size if you think that the font size is not enough. You can move the text, hold down your mouse and then hold down the left corner of your mouse. That's the left button of your mouse. So drag and drop. Let's say Amy Stars, I want that to be there, and I want this one to go upwards, and I want this one to stand right. So that's it. Manipulate your text to what you want. And then these are images. So here, images, you can definitely replace images. I can head over to uploads that I've uploaded. If you want to upload new images, I head over to upload files to upload new images. So here I'm just going to, there's an image I want to drag and drop, and that image is this. So I'm going to drag from here and I'm just going to drop it here. So Amy Stars presents a book. Jehovah, I'm going to click to double click on the book so that some of these elements can show in. So So I'm going to click on this background here that has blue and click on this color to change it. So I'm changing it to the color of what's in the book. So this is the color that I have changed. I can click on this too and change the color as well, or change the picture. So this is it. Now I can also head over here to drag this picture and drop, but I don't want to. It's perfect in here. So this is how you can actually manipulate all of this, the text, the pictures, the colors. Click on the next and do the same manipulation just exactly as you are taught. Just click on the next and click on the next until you have achieved exactly what you want. But these are really sweet templates that you can use. So head over to the last slide, edit the text, change the elements, move pictures, move things until you're satisfied with the results. Now I'm going to change this blue to the color, this text color to the color of the background. So I click on that and here you have this text color. I click on it and then I click on the text color of the background, which is that, and I'm good to go. Once you're done, top right corner, you're going to see the share button. Click on that and click on download. So once you click on download, you're going to have to choose your download settings and you're good to go. So this is pretty much the process. You can repeat it for all of the slides. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.